Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to know your Windows 10 PC is connected to which Wi-Fi protocol. For this, right click on the Start button and select here Settings option. In the Settings window, click on this one Network and Internet option. Then select here Wi-Fi in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one Hardware Properties link. Here you can see protocol, and beside that you can view Wi-Fi versions such as Wi-Fi 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Like this you can know your Wi-Fi protocol on your Windows 10 PC that your PC are using. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.